lanthanum tube with an endium complex of +4.
What are they talking about?
I don't know, but this outfit has them. This isn't paper. It's some kind of metal.
Hey everybody, welcome back. And today I've got a pretty ordinary looking chassis. This is the model name is a Titan, and the model number is a 4T-4N, made by a company called KGH, KG Harris, I believe, in Sydney. And this one dates to 1952 to 54, I think. Could stand to be corrected on that. The case again is with the owner, and I've been told whoever had it back in the day decided to paint it, no doubt with a brush, and he's now currently trying to get all that crap off there. What have we got here? Let's put that back on. Man, I think this is one of those ratties done on the cheap, but okay. It's going in the opposite direction, but never mind. Doesn't matter. And volume there. And that's about it, I think. So just broadcast only. And let's have a look around the back. There we go, KGH, nice 4T-4N. We've got a 6B-E6, EF50, those funny ones, 6B-V7 and a 6X4, and a single IF can. And that's bloody right too. And manufactured by KG Harris Sydney. Let's have a look underneath. So, well, the original filter caps are still there. These mustard ones, I'm guessing they're from the period. I can see a couple of more modern resistors have been put in. And definitely some new wiring done there, some red wire, some blue. And here's that output transformer. Didn't look at it. Yeah, that's been replaced, and that's been mounted on there, and some wiring done there, and I'll have to see about that. So I want to test that speaker and the output training, of course. I will find out. There seems to be sort of all sorts of blues and reds, and I don't know what's coming through, but I'll figure out which wires are going to the output valve and the rectifier. Then we'll run the test. Pretty confident there's two blue wires and running to the rectifier and the output valve, and I've got the rectifier hooked on to the cathode there, and I'm guessing it's that blue wire there. Hey, well, let's find out. Yeah. Cool. Alright, I'm going to, what am I going to do here? Let's see. There's the old capacitor, the old filter caps in the way. What are 216s? Yeah, 16 microfarads. I'm going to get a power cord hooked up to it, because there's the old one there, and that's been replaced. Yeah. So, and we'll just see if we're getting some B+ going into the cap. It's hooked up, and go to the first filter cap. Positive there, negative there. Okay. Switch over to DC. I think you can see it. Yep. Right, let's give it some power. Take this slowly. So far so good. I'm about 100 volts at the moment. Not much seems to be happening. Nothing happening yet. Oh, here we go. I'm just being conservative with the power. I'll bring it up to, so far so good, I'll bring it up to 200 volts. Yeah, not a lot of DC coming out of it, is there? Okay. Could be that 6X4 Probably is. I should have another one, so I'll go sell one, put it in, see if there's any difference or any change. Another 6x4. Hopefully this the replacement's working. Let's hope. Switch it up. Let's give it some power. Just go straight to 200 volts. What are we getting? All looking good. Nice. I think the radio's working. I can hear some static coming out of it, but anyway. Ouch, we can resolve that later. Alright, so let's get rid of those two filter caps and see if we can get some joy out of this thing. Alright, I'll change those and we'll come back. Okay, filter caps are both in. Reasonably easy to do. And again, might as well just watch the voltage. Something to do while we're powering it up. And, oh, the antenna, I'll just attach that. I did hear something. I don't know if the camera was able to pick it up. It was very faint. Anyway, here we go. That's 100 odd volts going into it. 150. Gonna start kicking in or what? Alright, take it up to 200. No joy there. I wonder if the rectifier's glowing. I'm seeing bugger all out of the rectifier. Okay. Take it down. I think I'll give the sockets a bit of a clean. Okay, a bit of contact cleaner in there, and let's hope that's what it was. So here we go. Come on. Go to DC volts first. Good. Oh, dial globe's lit up, that's working. Again, I can hear something.
Indies on ABC Radio, Sport Digital and ABC Listen.
Not bad. Alright, another goer. Well, it's always, I think after the that last radio, probably deserve an easy one. So let's clean up all that muck in the audio and just swap out those filter caps. And yeah, again, given nothing else goes wrong, no, it's going to be pretty easy.
When you need more zip, just take my tip. Try Cadbury's new caramel whip. New caramel whip.
It tastes like a caramel double malted, delicious malty fudge, sweet chewy caramel, and Cadbury's Dairy Milk Chocolate.
Cadbury's new caramel whip.
Crack a caramel whip today.
Okay, quick, everybody rush out and get a caramel whip. Yeah, go toot toot. Anyway, great ad. Here's the radio. It's done.
You suggest that your writing is
Working
better
well.
than mine.
Yeah.
And
Like services for these people now, not in 6 years' time.
Yep. Okay, the KGH all done, and as you saw, you know, from the photo of the case, nice looking case, but a really basic design in the circuitry, because there's, like I said, there's bugger all in there. One IF can only. Radio on the cheap, that's for sure. Anyway, not much to show on this one, but at least we've got it working and get to see a KGH Titan. Again, never saw one, never seen one, probably never will see another one, I don't think. Anyway, thank you all for watching, guys. Take care, have fun, and I'll see you very, very soon.